Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pretty Cool TV, and today we'll be discussing extensively on respiratory system. The respiratory system is a complex and vital system that plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall health and function of the human body. It is responsible for bringing oxygen into the body and removing carbon dioxide through the process of breathing. Anatomy of the respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of several organs and structures that work together to facilitate breathing. These include 1. Nose and mouth. The nose and mouth are the entry point for air into the respiratory system. The nose contains small hairs called cilia and mucous membrane that help filter out dust, pollen, and other particles from the air. 2. Pharynx or the throat. The pharynx or throat is a muscular tube that contains the nose and mouth to the larynx. The pharynx helps connect the nose and mouth to the larynx, and it's shared pathway for both food and air. 3. Larynx. The larynx or voice box is a cartilaginous structure that contains the vocal cord. It plays a crucial role in speech production and prevents food and liquid from entering the trachea. 4. Trachea. The trachea, also known as windpipe, is a tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It is lined with cilia and mucous membrane that helps filter out particles from the air. 5. Bronchi and bronchioles. The bronchi and bronchioles are airways that branch off from the trachea and leads to the lung. The bronchi divide into smaller bronchioles which eventually lead to alveoli. 6. Lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of respiration, responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide through the process of breathing. They are protected by the rib cage and diaphragm. 7. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. It contracts and relaxes to facilitate breathing. Physiology of the respiratory system. The respiratory system performs several critical functions, including 1. Oxygenation. The respiratory system brings oxygen into the body, which is then transported to cells and tissues. 2. Carbon dioxide removal. The respiratory system removes carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, from the body. 3. pH regulation. The respiratory system helps regulate the body's acid-base balance by controlling the amount of carbon dioxide in the blood. Process of breathing. The process of breathing involves several steps. 1. Inhalation. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and the rib cage expands, allowing air to enter the lungs. 2. Gas exchange. In the lungs, oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide diffuses out of the bloodstream and into the lungs. 3. Exhalation. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and the rib cage descends, allowing air to leave the lungs. Regulation of breathing. Breathing is regulated by the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary functions such as heart rate and breathing rate. The brain respiratory centers monitors the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood and adjusts breathing rate accordingly. Common respiratory disorders. There are several common respiratory disorders, including 1. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease characterized by recurring episodes of wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. 2. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is the COPD, which is a chronic obstruction pulmonary disease, is a progressive lung disease characterized by airflow limitation and persistent respiratory symptoms. 3. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection of the lung that can be caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. 4. Lung cancer. Lung cancer is a type of cancer that originates in the lungs and can be caused by smoking, exposure to carcinogens, or genetic mutations. Importance of respiratory system. Respiratory system is essential for maintaining life and overall health. It provides oxygen and removes carbon dioxide, regulates pH balance, and supports cellular function. Respiratory system is a vital system that plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall health and function of the human body. Understanding the anatomy of and physiology of the respiratory system is essential for diagnosing and treating respiratory disorders. Some respiratory organs are specialized structures within cells and that play a crucial role in cellular respiration. The most notable respiratory organ is the mitochondria, and we are going to talk extensively on the mitochondria. The mitochondria are often referred as the powerhouse of cells because they generate most of the energy that cells need to function. Mitochondria have several key features that enables them to perform their role in cellular respiration. 1. Inner membrane. The inner membrane of mitochondria is folded into a series of crystals which increase the surface area for cellular respiration. 2. Matrix. The matrix is the inner compartment of mitochondria where the citric acid cycles takes place. 3. Electron transport chain. The electron transport chain is a series of protein complex locations in the inner mitochondrial membrane that generate ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, during oxidative phosphorylation. Function of mitochondria. Mitochondria perform several critical functions, including 1. Cellular respiration. Mitochondria generate energy for cells through cellular respiration, which involves the breakdown of glucose and other organic molecules to produce adenosine triphosphate. 2. Energy production. Mitochondria produce adenosine triphosphate, which is the primary source of energy for cellular functions. 3. Regulation of cellular metabolism. Mitochondria plays a crucial role in regulating cellular metabolism, including the regulation of energy consumption and production. The importance of mitochondria. Mitochondria are essential for maintaining cellular homeostasis and overall health. The dysfunction of mitochondria has been implicated in various diseases, including 1. Neurodegenerative diseases. Mitochondrial dysfunction has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Okay guys, today we'll be stopping here for now. Please, if you find this video informative and educative, please do smash the subscription button, like and share this video to family and friends so that you can watch and also learn from this video. Bye for now. See you in my next video.